Ako ra. Kulit to. Ako ra lagi. Eager yung bata mag-unboxing eh. Wala ka naman dito eh. Wala man ko magbaili sa'yo. Wow! Look at if there's ano. Look at there if there's free. There's a free. Open what's the free. Wow! What is that? Candy. Come here, show me, mommy. Walang toys eh. There's a candy.
Daddy, I got some candy too.
Paborito mo. Oh, sorry.
Huh?
Your favorite. Yan guys, puro noodles. Kasi ito yung favorite niya guys.
My favorite noodles ever.
Ever. Kuhaan ng mga mga noodles, baby. Put it in the box. Okay? Later. Udong. That's the udong, baby. There's no another. At mga dito guys. May chicken, canton. Here's your favorite. Skyplex.
Yeah, I like spicy.
Here's a biscuit. Hansel. Chocolate.
Chocolate, my favorite too.
Hupia. And sardinas guys. Ito, flex and oil.
This, I got some like this, Daddy. I got this and this.
Guys, sardinas.
Daddy, I got some stuff in here. I got some candy.
Toyo. Ketchup pa tayo isa nito. We sell it good. Ano ba to? Ano kaya to? You open that one dyan eh. I don't know what is inside. Wala. Nalumping lagi ng flex and oil. Mas prepare ko ganito guys ang lasa kaysa dun sa Century Tuna. Mas nasasarapan ako nito kaya bumili ako marami. Wala yan sa store eh. Yung ni mama pang tanggal sa cuticle. And ito yung mga tuna. Tuna daw so to. Sa tuna. You need a scissor? Oh. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's tidbits. You cannot use a scissor, honey. Yeah, for salad yan, honey. Margarine pala to. Ito lang yung binili ko yung mga noodles kasi hindi ko type yung lasa ng noodles dito, guys. Ay.